might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside.
Hey yo, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 3 of my fall clean and decorate. Today we're going to be decking out the master bedroom for fall, and I'm super excited because we're going to be adding some flannel sheets to the bed. We're also going to be doing a really fun DIY with the Faux fireplace and just adding lots of garlands and warm lighting. And I'm super excited. If you're not already subscribed, my name is Lauren and I like to make lots of videos about homemaking and decorating and mom life, and I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That always really helps us out. We're also going to be sharing what we're eating for dinner tonight, and it's so delicious and it is a very cozy fall recipe, so stay tuned until the end for that. But let's go ahead and get started. Just starting out by stripping off our summer sheets. I'm going to be replacing these with some fall flannel sheets from Target last year, and these are so cozy. And I'm also going to be adding some garland above our headboard as well as some string lights to really warm up this space. I love the way that our bed turned out this year. I left the string lights on when we went to bed this night and it made everything feel so festive and cozy, and Oliver loved the string lights. I thought they would kind of be a distraction for him going to sleep, but he actually loved them. He just stared at them in awe and he went right to sleep, and it was the cutest thing ever, and it made me love those string lights even more. Target had the cutest selection for fall sheets last year, the flannel sheets, and when I went this year I haven't seen any yet, but I'm sure they'll come out with some closer to September, so when I stop back by Target I'll look. I'm hoping to get some fresh sheets for this year, but since we didn't find any, we're just going to put these back on. I actually used these last year too, but they make everything feel so much cozier in here. These rust-colored pillows I actually found at HomeGoods last year, and I love them. They match these sheets perfectly, and they're kind of rustic to go with that rustic glam look. Love those there, and I was just going to leave those, but then I forgot I have that rust-colored pillow that I took off of the front entry bench, and it has leaves on it, so I'm going to add that here too in just a second. And I'm going to add the same garland that I added to our TV stand up here above the bed. And y'all let me know down below what you think. Should I get another strand of this garland to make it a little bit thicker to kind of go up to that Let's Cuddle sign, or should I just leave it one strand? And then I'm just going to add some acorn lights. I picked these up at Michael's. I have several strands of these, and I feel like they add the perfect little fall cozy touch to any garland that's not already pre-lit. So I'm going to add those here, and I think this is so cozy. I know I keep saying cozy, but I love the way that all these string lights look throughout our house in the fall.
Meet me here at this time tomorrow. There's something you need to know.
I decorated our kitchen for fall last week, and then the week before that I did our living room, and I'll link those videos below in case you missed them. But our whole house is almost decorated for fall, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be adding some stuff to the bathrooms, and I'm also going to be doing that cutting board wall in the kitchen this week, as well as our front porch makeover for fall, and possibly the back porch too. So lots going on this week and next. September 4th will be our full fall home tour, so stop back by then. And I think the next video you see will actually be the porch makeover for fall. So lots more fall content coming, but I'm so excited to have our whole entire house decorated for fall. It makes everything feel so festive and cozy, and we're a little early, but that just means we get to enjoy it a little bit longer. As I go, I'm just kind of wiping down mirrors and surfaces as they need it. And here I'm just adding a throw blanket to our bed. And I decided this year to just add a simple throw blanket. It's just gray and white. Last year I added a rust colored blanket here, and it was a little much. So I decided to keep it a little more simple. I'm going to add a little bed basket here with a candle and a pumpkin and a little sign that says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." Comment down below if you know what that quote is from or what movie it's from. And this wreath is the one I was going to use on the hutch, and then I decided not to, so I just brought it in here for a little pop of color. And then I'm just going to add this little glass pumpkin to our nightstand over here.
From the moment I dared to follow a whispering voice inside, I realized I'm in love.
This buttery pumpkin candle from Hobby Lobby smells incredible. I got it last year too, and we loved it. And so I put that on my nightstand. I usually like to keep our nightstands really clutter-free because at night we add water bottles and baby stuff, and it just gets really messy. So I added a candle on mine and a little glass pumpkin to Will's. And now we're headed over to this faux fireplace. As most of you know, I got this on Facebook Marketplace last year, and I was so excited to finally have a little fireplace in our room. But I wanted to make it a little bit more, a little bit more pizzazzy for fall. I wanted to add a pop of wood over here, and I've been seeing lots of these on Pinterest where people will get these little wood, the little circles of wood. I'm not sure what they're called. It's like logs that are cut, and you just glue them to a piece of foam board and pop it in where the little fireplace goes, and it looks like you have wood stacked up. So we're going to go ahead and do that right here. I bought my foam board. I think it's one of those mats that actually goes in a picture frame from Hobby Lobby, and then I got these little wood circles from Hobby Lobby too, and I'm just using hot glue to put them on there. I didn't really do very much research. I just wanted to throw this together real quick. And it's also temporary. If you want to pop out the foam board, you can. I just kind of squished it in there. So this is a perfect little touch for fall and for Christmas.
I've just got eyes for you. No other could enchant me, darling, like you do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. Your sister says she loves me, wants to share my name. She spoke to Reverend Bixby, they've already set the date. So I'm working up the guts to tell her I'll never say I do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you.
I think this would look a little bit better if some of these wood circles stuck out more than others to make it look like real wood, but I'll have to do that another time and another day because this was kind of just thrown together last minute. I have big plans for this area at Christmas. I'm already getting so many ideas, and I'm super excited to decorate this little fireplace area for Christmas. But for today, I kind of had a last minute idea, and we're kind of just throwing this together. wiping down the top of this fireplace with my Mrs. Meyer spray in the apple cider scent. It smells so good. I've used that in all of my fall videos this year. And I actually bought some wood candlesticks that are wood color from Hobby Lobby, and I was going to replace them with these white ones, but then when I did, there was just too much wood going on over here, so I went ahead and took those off and just used the white ones. And then I picked up this vine from Hobby Lobby. It's very similar to the floral arrangements that I've done in the living room and in the kitchen, and I just thought it kind of flowed nicely with our house, so I got a couple strands of that to use. I think I used 2 in the bedroom today. I'm going to use this one here and one on top of the dresser. And I added that large pumpkin that was over in our entryway before we redid it, and a little picture of me and Will in the leaves, and a smaller orange pumpkin and a little caramel pumpkin candle. And this area is really simple. I may switch it up a little bit before the fall home tour, but I think it looks really cozy.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead.
I went ahead and wiped down the dresser, and I just added a picture with some florals from Michael's. And then I got this light up fall sign from Hobby Lobby last year, and I didn't think I was going to use it this year, but I needed a pop of color over here on the dresser, so we're adding that here, as well as some more of that vine stuff from Hobby Lobby, and then a little orange pumpkin in that little basket. Last but not least, I'm just going to pop this orange pillow in the corner over here. It's got some gold leaves on it, and I thought that added a really fun touch of glam over here. I think I got that from Home Goods, but it was like 5 years ago. And now I'm just going to vacuum up the room, and I'll do some after shots for you to show you how it all turned out. And then we'll head into the kitchen to make dinner.
This song might lead.
Okay, so for tonight for dinner, we're making chicken and dumplings. This is a recipe from my mom that she got from a lady from our church when I was a kid. It's super simple, and these are the best dumplings ever. So you just need a half cup of chicken broth, a large spoon of shortening, 2 eggs beaten with salt, and 2 cups of flour. And then you just kind of like roll that around with your hands until it gets looking like this. And then you put plenty of flour in it, roll it out, put plenty of flour on the counter too, and then slice it however you want it, whether you like them thin or thick. I like mine a little bit thicker. And then I've got some bouillon cubes here because here in just a minute I'm going to add some of that to some boiling water so that we can get our dumplings going. My mom always put a chicken in boiling water and then used that water as the broth for this, but I like to put my chicken in the crock pot because it makes the chicken super tender. So that's what I did while I was gone today. I threw 3 chicken breasts in here and it's super tender. I shredded it up, so that's ready to go. But I think I will take like a cup maybe, or a 1/4 of a cup, however much I can get out of the bottom there, and put it in with these bouillon cubes into our broth to boil these in. So after we get all done with our dumplings and slice them up and boil them, we'll just add in the chicken and this dinner is done. It's that easy. I love chicken and dumplings in the fall especially, and Will always likes for me to make cornbread with this, so we're gonna make some cornbread too. Okay, for cornbread, I always just use this Jiffy corn muffin mix, and I add about 3 tablespoons of sugar to it. I stir that up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to this muffin pan. I will post this recipe below in the description box in case you want to try it. It's such an easy and delicious fall dinner, and you honestly probably have everything to make it already in your pantry. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for stopping by, and I will see y'all on Thursday.